Looking back, Narasimha Rao Ji can truly be called the father of economic reforms in India.
Almost 3 decades before, P.V. Narasimha Rao shook India and rest of the world by presenting the first budget of his finance minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, which brought radical reforms in the Indian economy. P.V. Narasimha Rao is known for his path-breaking ability to do something which sometimes appeared to be impossible to do. As Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, which was earlier the part of Madras Presidency and largely dominated by feudal interests, as Chief Minister by introducing the massive land reforms in the state dominated by feudal interests was an act of courage of conviction. Similarly, highly regulated Indian economy, where public sector used to enjoy the commanding height. When P.V. Narasimha Rao found that it had degenerated into the stagnation and inefficiency, he did not hesitate to bring radical reforms, to introduce dynamism and exploitation of the economic potential of the country.
Today, I am particularly happy that this program has been organized on a day on which I had the privilege as the Finance Minister of India for presenting the first budget of Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao Ji's government in 1991. It was a budget that changed India in many ways. It ushered in economic reforms and liberalization. It was a hard choice and a bold decision, and it was possible because Prime Minister Narasimha Rao Ji gave me the freedom to roll out things after he fully understood what was ailing India's economy at that time. On this day, while inaugurating his birth centenary celebrations, I pay my humble respects to the man who had the vision and the courage to push these reforms. Like Rajiv Ji, Narasimha Rao Ji too had great concern for the poor of the country and had told the then Managing Director of IMF, Mr. Michael Kondesu, that reforms in India would have to be mindful of Indian concern. Looking back, Narasimha Rao Ji can truly be called the father of economic reforms in India.
I had known Sri Narasimha Rao Garu ever since I was on the Youth Congress. He was very fond of me, encouraged me to continue to carry on my profession as well as actively participate in the working of the Congress Party. And at every stage, he encouraged me when I moved from the Youth Congress to the PCC and then from the PCC to the AICC. and became a Member of Parliament. I'm glad that all of you have remembered that today marks the anniversary, the 29th anniversary, the first budget of the P.V. Narasimha Rao government. People used to ask him, how did you change? I remember what he told a group of us, a very small group. Why do they ask me why I have changed? I have not changed. I am standing exactly where I stand, namely committed to the welfare of the people of India, especially the poor of India. I have not moved this way or that way, but the world around me and the ground under me has shifted. If the ground under me has shifted, people say that I have changed, little realizing that the circumstances have changed, the context have changed. I thought it was a brilliant response to why we decided to embark upon very bold economic reforms.